This one Suno feature has been getting lots of backlash among users. So today we're going to see how this remaster feature works inside Suno AI, testing with some live examples. First of all, what exactly is this remaster feature? Well, it creates subtle variations of a song. Not huge transformations, just small, controlled changes. It's useful when you're already happy with your song, but you just want a more polished, balanced, cleaner final version. Remaster can be used to improve the mix, balance instruments and vocals better, fix small inconsistencies, or even make the vocal feel cleaner and more natural. Alright, let's try it. Open your library, pick a song you already generated, or you can generate a new one for yourself. I'm using my original track, Sunshine Slowdown. Here, let's hear the bass audio first.
Let it all slow down, slow down. Feel the breeze in this beach town. Life's too short to wear a frown. Let it all slow down, slow down.
I really like it. So now, let's remaster it. Click the three dots, go to Create, and choose Remaster. And here we are. Inside Remaster feature, you'll see two main controls, the model and the variation strength. The model is already selected as V5 by default, and variation strength has three options: subtle, normal, and high. These decide how close or how different your remastered version will sound. So let's go through them one by one. First up, subtle. This one keeps the new version very close to your original. Only small acoustic and mix details are improved. Alright, let's try it.
Waves roll up and kiss my toes. Sand so warm, it soothes my soul. The sky's a canvas painted gold.
See? It's almost identical. But here, you can see the subtle changes that have been applied in subtle remaster variation from these waveforms. This is for when your song is 99% there, and you just need that final 1% of polish to make it perfect. Next up, normal strength. Normal is the default for a reason. It's the perfect middle ground. It aims to keep the soul of your original track but breathes a little more life and space into the mix. Here we go.
Waves roll up and kiss my toes. Sand so warm, it soothes my soul. The sky's a canvas painted gold. No clock to chase, no race to run. Just me.
This time you can actually hear a difference. It's still the same song, but a little bit freshened up. This is the safe middle ground, a light refresh without losing your original feel. And finally, high. This third option gives us more noticeable tone changes, different vocal feeling, different instrument balance, and sometimes more creative textures.
Waves roll up and kiss my toes. Sand so warm, it soothes my soul. The sky's a canvas painted gold.
Whoa, a totally different vibe. The energy has shifted, and there are new textures in there I didn't expect. Still your song, but with a creative twist. Personally, I still prefer my original, but this high strength is great for experimenting. So here's the summary. Subtle is basically gentle cleaning and balance. Tiny adjustments, almost identical to your original. Normal is a refreshed feel. Still your song, just a bit more modern and open. And high is the experimental one. More noticeable differences, new textures, more personality shifts. So, is this the same as the cover feature? No, but people confuse these two a lot. Cover feature is for big transformations. New singer, different style, timing changes, etc. Remaster feature is for subtle adjustments. Same lyrics, same arrangement, just a bit better production quality. So think of it like this. Remaster fine-tunes what's already there. Cover, on the other hand, reimagines the entire thing. So, when should you use remaster? To add that final polish. When your song is great but needs a cleaner, more professional sound. To fix minor inconsistencies. If some parts of your song sound a bit muffled or the energy dips, remaster can help even things out. To upgrade older tracks. You can use it to bring songs made on older Suno models up to the V5 sound quality, though results can vary. I'm personally excited to see how this feature evolves. Imagine a future version that offers studio-grade mastering with even more precise control. What are your experiences with the remaster feature? Drop a comment below and tell me about your wins and fails. If you want more Suno breakdowns like this, stick around and subscribe. See you in the next one.